Morning, dear student. Today we will discuss in the front office practical about the miscellaneous voucher. It is also called the debit voucher. Let us discuss what is miscellaneous voucher or miscellaneous form is. See, the miscellaneous voucher can be used to authorize payment for non-inventory goods or services. It means that the whatever not the goods and services what are not there in the inventory register for the payment which we made for that is we use the miscellaneous voucher for that. Okay, see, in the miscellaneous voucher we have the number is there, that is the miscellaneous voucher number, then the department for which department we have paid this amount, then the name of the guest for whom we have paid this amount, then the date which date we have paid this voucher amount to the vendor, and the room number, what is the room number of the guest, and the particular the description about the things which we have paid. Suppose we have paid rupees 500 for the maybe for taxi fare, then we have to pay that the payment is been done on behalf of the taxi fare in the guest account. Okay, you have to write the things in the particular column. The amount that is 500 rupees, you have to write the amount in the amount column, 500 rupees. Then the signature of the guest is there, means the guest is authorized to pay this amount. Okay, you can just debit this account from the guest voucher folio. Then the signature of the clerk is there, then the clerk will sign in the voucher. It means that this is the authorized voucher which the facility is been taken by the guest, and the facility is been provided by the hotel to the guest, and when the guest will depart, then the amount will be 500 rupees will be charged or deducted from his folio. That's all about the miscellaneous voucher. Thank you, student.